Welcome back to Giggle Thinkers! Are you ready to play and learn? Fun and healthy recipes that kids can easily help prepare. Let's giggle, guess, and grow together! What do you wear to keep your clothes clean while cooking? B apron. What do we use to mix ingredients in a bowl? C whisk. What fruit is yellow and shaped like a moon? B banana. What do you do before you start cooking? A. Wash your hands. What's a healthy snack? C. Carrot sticks. What is something you should never touch in the kitchen? A. Stove. What tool do you use to cut soft fruit with adult help? B. Butter knife. Which of these is used to bake cookies? B. Oven. What do we call a sandwich with only peanut butter and jelly? B. PB and J. What should you do with fruits and veggies before eating them? C. Wash them. What color is a ripe strawberry? A. Red. What do you pour pancake batter onto? B. Frying pan or griddle. Which of these is good for your bones? A. Milk. What sound might popcorn make in the microwave? B. Pop pop. What's the best part about cooking together? C. Having fun and helping. What do you use to drink soup? A. Spoon. Which food helps you see better? A. Carrots. What do you use to measure flour? B. Measuring cup. What shape is a pizza usually? C. Circle. What should you always do after cooking? B. Wash your hands. Thank you for watching Giggle Thinkers. Make sure to subscribe for more learning and fun.